1935 Auburn supercharged 851 convertible coupe. This is not the Auburn boat tail. This is the convertible coupe with the rumble seat. So there you have the engine and the supercharger centrifugal that's shaft driven off of the front timing cover. Try to get the whole car in the picture here, and I'll walk around the car. Sorry about the not opening the passenger compartment. It's just a little difficult for me to do that these days. Properly restored. Trying to make sure that every detail is the way it's supposed to be. Okay, let's hear it run. Yes, it has the two